This video is to help us make sense of what exponents actually are, and that is their short way of writing repeated multiplication. I'm going to go through a few examples. First one is if I just have x to the fourth power. That actually just represents x times x times x times x. That is different than 4x, which is x plus x plus x plus x. So multiplication is repeated addition, and exponents are repeated multiplication. Another example would be 3x to the fourth, y to the third. Well, without my exponents, if I want to expand that out and write it as repeated multiplication, this x to the fourth is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4x is being multiplied together. This y to the third is going to be 1, 2, 3 y's. And I still have the 3, so it represents 3 times x times x times x times x times y times y times y. What if we had these as a fraction? What if I had x to the fourth divided by x to the third? If I wanted to write that out, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4x's multiplied together divided by 1, 2, 3x's multiplied together. In a different video, I'm going to explain what that's going to reduce down to and simplify to, but for this video, I'm just going to talk about how to expand them. The last example, 2x to the third, y to the fifth, all squared. This squaring of everything inside the parentheses means I have 2 sets of this. So I actually have 2x to the third, y to the fifth, times 2x to the third, y to the fifth. And since each of these exponents I can write as expanded multiplication, I would have 2xxx, y, 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 and then I would do the same thing again. So by writing it this way in blue, that actually represents all of this here in purple. So you can see why it's much easier to go through and write it like we do in blue with the exponents.